Everyone, welcome back to into tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to enable two-factor authentication on Instagram. For Facebook I already made one video on that, how to do and all. You can go and check on that. So in this I will guide you one of the easiest and step-by-step process to enable two-factor authentication on Instagram. So let's get start our video. First of all, open your Instagram application on mobile device and make sure that you will be logged in that. Now you can see here I already opened my Instagram application on my mobile device. So you have to tap on your profile icon at the down. Inside that you will get three horizontal line on the top on right corner, so tap on that. After that, now you can see here one account center is there, so tap on that. Mine is linked with Facebook and also it is showing like that. But if it will not showing in that, you have to go on security and in there you will get a two-factor authentication. You have to do and all from there. But here mine is showing like this, so I will show in this. So we have to tap on this. After going on that account center, now we can see here one option is there as a password and security, so tap on this. So if you want to change your password, you can change from here by tapping on this first option that is written as a change password. You go on that and you can change like this. If you will go and select your that account, in which account you want to change your password, like this you can change from here and save it. You will do all those things. Here we are for two-factor authentication, so we have to do that. So now you can see here two-factor authentication is there, so tap on that. So select your account. So after that, now you can see where you want it will send some code. So if you want to get through SMS or WhatsApp, you can select second option, or that first option is better as authentication app, it will send in that only. So you have to tap on next. Now you have to copy that key from here. You have to tap on that copy key. You will copy, it will copy. So now you can see here next option is there. So click on next, and it will send a 6-digit code on your that authentication app. So after getting that, you have to enter this here, and now you have to see here at the down next option it will show. You have to tap on that, and again it will ask some questions, so you have to, after that you can save it. So in this way you can enable two-factor authentication on Instagram. So if you like this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching this video.